If you're over age 55 and your claim for Social Security disability insurance benefits was denied, you're probably feeling frustrated and confused. A denial usually isn't the end of the road, and your age can actually work in your favor if you know how to fix the issues. Whether it's incomplete paperwork, weak medical evidence, or something else, we're here to help you figure out why your claim was denied and how to turn things around. My name is Kaitlin Wildoner, and I'm an attorney who helps disabled clients obtain their disability benefits as quickly as possible so they can focus on getting better. In today's video, I'm going to break down some of the common reasons for SSDI denials for those 55 and up, plus some actionable tips to boost your chances of approval. One of the top reasons SSDI claims get denied is insufficient medical evidence. The Social Security Administration needs clear, detailed proof that your condition prevents you from working, and this is especially critical for seniors over 55. If your application didn't include enough medical records like test results, doctor's notes, or treatment histories, the Social Security Administration might say that you are not disabled enough. To fix this, gather comprehensive medical records that show your diagnosis, symptoms, and limitations, like how far you can walk or how long you can stand. Ask your doctor for a detailed statement explaining how your condition impacts your ability to work. Resubmit this stronger evidence with your appeal to show the Social Security Administration that you are disabled and unable to work. Another common denial reason is that the Social Security Administration decided that you can still work, either your old job or something less demanding. For those over age 55, the Social Security Administration's medical vocational guidelines can make it easier to qualify if you can't do your past work or adjust to other type of work, especially if you've done physically demanding work in the past. If your claim was denied because they think you can still work, review your application. Did you clearly explain how your condition limits you? For example, if chronic pain or fatigue stops you from standing or being able to focus, make that explicit. In your appeal, emphasize your work history and how your age and health make switching to a different job unrealistic. This can help align your case with the Social Security Administration's rules for older adults. Errors in your application are another huge reason that it gets denied. The Social Security disability application process is very detailed, with tons of forms, deadlines, and details. Small errors like missing work history or not listing all of the medical conditions that impact your functioning on a daily basis can lead to a pretty quick rejection. If your denial letter mentions insufficient information or incomplete application, double check what you submitted. Fix this by carefully reviewing the Social Security's denial letter. It'll tell you exactly what went wrong in very general terms. Then, work on your appeal with a fine-tooth comb. Include a detailed work history, all of your medical conditions, including the secondary ones, and double-check dates and signatures. Being thorough here can sometimes make or break your appeal. If you are dealing with a serious condition like certain cancers, ALS, or advanced neurological disorders, you may have also missed an opportunity to qualify under the Social Security Administration's Compassionate Allowances Program, which can sometimes fast-track disability approvals. If your claim was denied because your condition wasn't considered severe enough, take a moment to visit the Social Security Administration's Compassionate Allowances list online. If your diagnosis is listed, gather clear medical documentation like test results, biopsy reports, hospital stays that all support your case. Include that with your appeal and clearly state that your condition meets the Compassionate Allowances criteria. Doing so may turn a denial into a fast approval. Thanks so much for watching. If you're disabled and unable to work, click the scheduling link below or give us a call directly for a free consultation where we discuss your case and see what I can do to help you.